In this video we'll see how to add text overlay on videos. From captions and titles to quotes, scrolling text and star ratings. Adding text to video can improve its impact, increase engagement, and make your video easier to watch with no sound. So, without further ado, let's get started and see how to enhance videos with text.
Before we go ahead, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any video we publish in future. You can appreciate our work by hitting the like button. It definitely motivates us a lot.
Log into clipchamp.com or open Clipchamp app on your computer. Click Create New Video button, and then you'll be taken straight into the editor. For demo, we will use free stock video available in Clipchamp. Click in this Stock Video button. Use the search bar to look for videos based on keywords, or click on the See More button within a video category. There are plenty of amazing options. For our demo, we will use this one. Just drag and drop on the timeline. Now to add text overlay, click on the Text button on this sidebar. A panel opens with many text templates you can directly use in your videos. These text options are of different types, like title, 2 lines, captions, special and intro/outro. You can hover over each option to see the preview of built-in text animation. Choose the one you like and add it to your timeline by clicking on this plus icon at bottom right of the text option, or you can simply drag and drop into the timeline above the video. You can customize the text overlay as your need. To show the text only for the short time, just drag the ends of the text element in timeline to shorten it. And now reposition the text element in the timeline so that it appears at the right timestamp you want in video and is visible only for selected duration. Let's modify this text element more. Select the text element on timeline. It'll be highlighted in green color. Now click on the text button on this right sidebar, here. On this panel, you can customize the current text element. In this text box here, add the text you want to display. For demo, we will type voila. You can also change the font. To do that, click on this drop-down list to see all the available options, and choose the font you like. Use this size slider control to adjust the size of text element on video. Alternatively, you can drag the corners of text to resize it. You get the alignment and position controls here. You can also apply effects and filters to text. We will explore these in another video. Clipchamp makes it very easy to move the text anywhere on video by using the freehand tool. Just keep the mouse button pressed and place it wherever you like. Now if you play the video, you'll see the text overlay with the default animation placed on top of video. And that's how easy it is to add text on your videos. Now let's see how we can use some common but cool text templates. The first one in our list is the meme option. Creating memes is now easy with this memes text template. Select the meme text option under the special text category and add to timeline. Edit your meme text inside the text tab on the property panel.
Change other properties, like font name, size, and text color.
And you are done. If you don't want to make a meme from scratch, use a free meme video template instead. Next is rating text overlay. Share your product ratings and service ranks with the rating text overlay.
Bring your product video in the timeline. Click on this text button on sidebar and scroll down to select the rating text template. Drag it into the timeline above the video and adjust its length. Now change the default text according to your needs. Change other properties, like font name, size, and text color. Using the star slider control, select the count of stars to be shown. And your product rating video is ready.
Next is the quote's title. If you want to make a unique quote video, just use the quote title overlay on video background. Like other titles, to add the quote text, place the quote title into the timeline above the video. Add your quote in text box. Adjust the properties and effects. And you are done. Once you are done editing, name the video and click Export button. Choose the video quality you want, and your video will be saved on your computer automatically. That's all we had in this video. Use these text templates and make amazing videos.